car again with YouTube. Let's see what happens. You could probably get the engine going because I'm being cack-handed. Welcome back again to the E51. And now the wheat has picked right up. Let's see. That's in beginner mode. Let's go into advanced mode. Intermediate mode. Turn. It's such a nice little plate. Straight out of the box, it was great. I put a little bit of weight in the front. Cool, that wind is really effective. Sweet. Poor little plane. The wind's free. Sheen P51, Miss Helen Mustang. A little bit of elevator. Here we go. Now we mid. Good. This is going to be quite hard for you in this weather. Whoa. So here I am in England, South England, Bedfordshire. It's very windy, we're pretty hot. We don't get hot here. But I like to show you that this beginner plane is really good for the money. From Banggood. Ooh. Big boy, big rig caps. Or nowhere hit the land. Just across the wheels. Oh, yes. It has got acrobat buttons in intermediate mode. You won't roll. That's the maximum roll you get, because as soon as I put it in advanced mode it goes mad. So it's flying itself, goes straight up, right turns, tries to do that. I'll go into advanced mode, straight up and over. I can't control it at all. So straight to beginner mode. It's as if an elevator and an elevator change. Because when it's on the ground and you put it into advance, nothing moves. So it should fly level. But it doesn't. Why is it there? I don't know what it was, but it looked quite big. Oh, look. Oh, it's a seagull. About free, so I'm going to attack. White plane. I haven't had a seagull fight. Whoa, that wet wind is really blasting me about, but it's doing really well for a little 2S Mustang. Break it, boy. Hopefully you can see it on it. A rudder thing. It's flying nice and even. It will keep going because of the wind. But considering this is a beginner plane and I'm a beginner, this is my second plane. I'd like to show everybody that this is really good. For the money, it's ridiculous. I would like to get some other planes, but the budget doesn't allow at the moment, but we shall see. There's been too much wind for my first plane. That's only a little 1S. And it would find this weather really, this wind. It's relatively quiet. It seems to be louder than it was. Whether that's just because I've flown it a few times and the engine's being used and making a bit more noise, or it's the wind. Because it has got 4 props, or 4 blades on one prop. But it just likes to fly. It does very tight circles when you want it to. I'm going to crash. Oh dear, there's my first crash. Have I killed it? That's the first time I've crashed this plane. One utter idiot. Doing things that close to the ground is silly. Well, that's the first proper crash I've had in it. Unbelievably. Well, for a while now. And the propper's done exactly what he's supposed to do. Popping off. Getting it back on is generally okay, but I can find this quite difficult. Got to change hands. I'm not cack-handed. Can't do it that way. Well, eventually, you have to use quite a bit of force with this one compared to the other one I just snapped on. There's no engine cut off on this, so you have to be careful. Okay. Back to my comfy chair. Yep, it's working. Into beginner mode. Go again. Don't know how much flight time I'll have. Oh, this wind's really hurting it. I've put some weight in the front. It doesn't seem to have made a huge difference. A bit. Here we go, head on. Don't take your head off. I'm on the trees. I'm a little close to the trees. Back, fly past. So it takes a knock. I've had a few little crashes. That's one of the bigger ones that I've had. Look at that. Marvellous little plane. Tally-ho. And it flies for a while. I think it's 8 or 9 minutes. I think you don't get much time to, once the beeper goes. I like to get everyone to see that anyone can fly these things. It's brake off, brake. It's stupidly, it's relaxing. Something I'd never thought I'd say about it. But it is. Oh, I seem to have lost control a little bit then. That was weird. Don't know what happened there. That's me. There you go. I expect it will start beeping at me any second. Lovely. Oh, we're at the other one. Didn't mean to do that. It must be running low on power. Or the wind caught it. Don't know which. Try again. Whoa. And another Immelmann, even though I didn't want to do one. I'm Immelmann. I think the power's going down. Let's try the other way. Oh no, I'm in beginner mode. I can do an Immelmann in beginner mode. That was silly. Wow. So now I need to be here. It will probably do what I tried to do. It just goes to show that the beginner mode is quite... Oh, here we go. Let's see if we can have enough time. got the alarm going on. Not too bad. And the brilliant thing is, turn that off. You won't lose your plane in the long grass because it's beeping. Thank you, plane. That was good.